Hello, everyone. Welcome to the China Business Legal Navigator. The topic for the discussion today is tailoring contracts for success in China, the imperative of local jurisdiction and compliance. The pitfalls of generic English contracts. In the multifaceted and rapidly evolving Chinese business landscape, the reliance on generic English contracts can be a significant misstep for international businesses. The key to ensuring legal security and operational success lies in crafting contracts that are not only adapted to Chinese laws, but are also drafted in Chinese. This approach, centered around local jurisdiction, compliance, and language adaptation, is crucial for businesses seeking to navigate the complexities of the Chinese market effectively. The pitfalls of generic English contracts. Generic contracts drafted in English and based on non Chinese legal principles often prove inadequate in China. These contracts may overlook critical aspects of Chinese legislation, leading to potential legal vulnerabilities. Furthermore, in the event of a dispute, these English contracts will be subject to translation in Chinese courts. This translation process can introduce errors and misinterpretations, ultimately leading to lower enforceability and diminished legal protection in China. Embracing local jurisdiction and law compliance. The cornerstone of effective business operation in China is the recognition and integration of local jurisdiction into contract drafting. This means that contracts must be meticulously tailored to align with the specific legal frameworks and regulatory requirements of China. Compliance with local laws not only minimizes legal risks, but also demonstrates the respect and understanding of the Chinese legal system, an aspect often valued in business relationships. Key advantages of local jurisdiction compliance. Alignment with Chinese regulations. Contracts crafted under Chinese jurisdictions are designed to be fully compliant with the country's current laws and regulations, reducing the risk of legal disputes. Language precision. Drafting contracts in Chinese ensures precision and clarity, avoiding the pitfalls of translation errors and misinterpretations. Enhanced enforceability. Contracts in Chinese compliant with local laws have higher enforceability in Chinese courts, offering stronger legal protection. The necessity of verified Chinese contracts. Having contracts in a verified Chinese version is not merely a linguistic preference, but a strategic necessity. It ensures that all parties have a clear and unambiguous understanding of the contract terms. This verification process also ensures that the contract adheres to the nuances and subtleties of the Chinese language, which can be critical in legal interpretations. Benefits of verified Chinese contracts. Clarity and understanding ensures that all parties fully understand their rights, obligations, and the scope of the agreement. Avoidance of translation discrepancies eliminates the risk associated with translating legal documents from English to Chinese that is usually done in the court in China, especially with contracts that are originally from English and then translated in the court into Chinese, inaccurate translations. Streamlined legal proceedings. So in case of disputes, a verified Chinese contract facilitates a smoother legal process within the Chinese judicial system. Also, when it's chosen to have, if you have China as the jurisdiction area, governing area. For businesses operating in China, the creation of tailor made contracts that comply with local jurisdictions and are drafted in verified Chinese is not just a legal formality, but a strategic imperative. The approach significantly enhances legal protection and enforceability in China, while also demonstrating a commitment to respecting the Chinese legal context. As the Chinese market continues to play a pivotal role in the global economy, adapting to its legal and linguistic landscape is essential for any businesses aiming to establish a strong and successful presence in China. Thank you for listening to the China Business Legal Navigator. Contact us if you need help, legal help in China, help with background investigation of Chinese companies, verification of Chinese companies, protection of patents and trademarks in China internationally, and verification and drafting of contracts that adheres and are adapted to the law in China, and that gives you protection uh, and are following the laws in China, etc. Or if you have problems with any trade issues or IP conflicts in China, etc. If you require our assistance or have further questions about our services, please do not hesitate to contact our customer relationship manager, Erik Christensen, at janerik at ncbhub.com, janerik at ncbhub.com. We can visit our website, ncbhub.com, ncbhub.com. We look forward to hearing from you and helping your business succeed in China.